Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of new uploads. Hello and welcome to Shilpa's cookbook. I am Shilpa and today we are going to make watermelon lemonade. Very refreshing and cooling recipe. Let's start the recipe. Now in a blender jar, I am going to add 2 cups of chopped watermelons deseeded. Adding slowly, and then I am going to add 1/4 cup of or 4 tablespoons of lemon squash. I have used Kissan brand here, and then I am going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I am going to add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves or pudine ki pattiya, and then close the lid and blend well till smooth. Now strain out the blended juice well with the help of the strainer. Now here I have a serving glass. I am going to crush some mint leaves with hand and put it in a glass, and then I am going to add in 2 to 3 small lemon pieces, and then muddle it with the help of the muddler or with the back of any spoon, and then I am going to add the ice cubes as required or as preferred by you, and then I am adding the plain soda on it till half. Now top it up with watermelon juice. Now I am going to add some finely chopped watermelon pieces on top, and now here watermelon lemonade is ready. Do try the recipe and comment me below how it turns out for you. If you like my recipes, please do subscribe and like and share my videos. Please check out my Kannada channel Manepaka for more exciting recipes with English subtitles. I will be back with yet another recipe. Till then, take care and happy cooking.